Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea Cermanski and I'm a painter and teacher in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I've been painting for 30 years and teaching for 20, so I have a lot of experience to bring to you. I was actually an art history major in college and took a lot of art classes on the side, and then I ended up down the road getting my master's in art education. I taught middle and high school art for 18 years and also have been teaching adults in-person workshops and retreats in my downtown Santa Fe studio and gallery space. I teach art because I want more people to paint. Painting is a great way to relax, to connect with your creative self, to have fun, to forget about the problems of the world, but also it's a great way to make some money and earn a living. So I teach painting for all of those reasons, and I really care about my students, and I'm really super excited that you're here. On my channel, you could expect to find videos about abstract painting as well as a lot of color mixing videos. Here and there, I do have some videos about representational painting, such as how to paint an aspen or how to paint a sky. I also have an online painting course called Abstraction Beyond Boundaries, and that course is for beginner and intermediate artists who want to deep dive into abstract painting, color, composition, techniques, and tools. I am super excited you're here on my channel, and I look forward to teaching you. Please comment. I try to respond to every single comment and question, so feel free to ask away. Again, welcome. I hope you learn a lot about painting and enjoy yourself. Take care.